Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm sharing you what I'm cooking for dinner tonight. I'm cooking sinigang. Pork spare rib sinigang is sinigang na baboy. It means baboy means spare ribs. Pork spare ribs right here with pork spare ribs, eggplant, green beans, baby spinach right here. Baby spinach, and I put radish, tomato is the vine tomato with yellow onion is the eggplant and the sparrows right here. Pork spare. Make a love shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, I'm cooking sinigang na pork spare rib sinigang for dinner tonight. It's a little cold, so we need some soup. Sabaw na mainit. Amoy pa lang is ulam na. Yummy yummy for my tummy and your tummy. Let's eat everyone. Is sinigang na pork spare ribs with spinach, baby spinach, baby eggplant, and green beans. Green beans. Of course, I have to put lemongrass in it because this is spare ribs. Yummy. Spare ribs is yummy. Pangpatanggal ng lansa ang lemongrass. Pangpalasa at pangpasarap. Yum, yum, yum. Ulam pa lang, amoy pa lang, ulam na. So, 3 ingredients we need. Tamarind soup mix. Mix product of the Philippines. Tamarind soup mix. No brand. Sinigang na sampalok mix. So, sinigang na sampalok mix with patis. Of course, we have brand new patis. This is fish sauce everyone. And black pepper, of course. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't like, share, and subscribe. This is a sour soup. This tamarind soup make it sour soup. Tastes yummy. And that's it everyone. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Kumusta po tayong lahat? Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Mga kababayan ko sa PI, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Saan man kayo naroon ng sulok ng mundo. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Here in the US, Maryland is 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. already is dinner time. So, there we go. We have some sabaw. Sinigang. Sabaw. So, sinigang. There we go. Sinigang na spare ribs. Right here. Sinigang na spare rib with yellow onion, radish, tomatoes, vine tomato, and green beans with baby spinach and baby eggplant right here. So there we go everyone. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, wherever you are in the whole world. Stay safe as always. Take care and God bless you all. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't like, share, and subscribe, please do. And don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Always say hello to you all. God bless and enjoy life. And God bless you all. Stay safe as always. And never say goodbye. Tomorrow is another day. We cannot be promised what's gonna be bring us tomorrow is another day. So enjoy life. Stay safe as always. Love yourself and love everyone and love your neighbor. Love your enemy, of course. So love everybody and good vibes time To you all, God bless. This is sinigang na spare ribs with green beans and baby spinach and eggplant. So, kainan na. Amoy pa lang is ulam na. There we go. Let's eat, everyone. Enjoy and God bless you all. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. This is sinigang na pork spare ribs. Sinigang na pork spare ribs is yummy and delicious. Perfect for the weather is cold. Hot and cold. There we go. So there we go, everyone. Is enjoy. There you go. Is yum yum yum. So hope you enjoy watching this, everyone. More meat at the bottom. So I used the baby spare ribs, pork spare ribs right there. With I boiled them with yellow onion, vine tomato, radish, and I put 2 pieces of lemongrass and baby eggplant and green beans and spinach right there. Is dinner time is served. Amoy pa lang is ulam na. There we go, everyone. Let's eat, enjoy. God bless and so long. See you again for the next vlog. Hope you enjoy watching it and see you again soon. God bless. So long. Take care and God bless. Please, I'm asking you a favor. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, please hold the notification bell, hit all, and don't skip ad, and watch the video until the end. And that's it. Please like and share and subscribe. That's all I ask, everyone, and God bless us all. There we go. Sinigang po kayo. Sinigang, everyone. Sinigang to all. And this is sour soup. Sinigang means sour soup for dinner. Sour soup for dinner. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. See you again soon. And God bless. So long. And take care. And God bless you all. So long, everyone. God bless you all. Sinigang na sampalok. Sinigang sa sampalok with baby spare ribs and green beans, eggplant, baby spinach, and baby eggplant, and everything and more vegetable is healthy for my tummy and your tummy. Let's eat, everyone. Sinigang po kayo dyan. Sinigang is for dinner tonight. Sinigang for dinner tonight. Thank you and God bless you all. So long. God bless and see you again soon. And God bless, everyone. Thank you and God bless. So long. See you again soon. Eat. There we go. More meat at the bottom. There we go. More meat at the bottom. Is spare ribs. Spare ribs, pork spare ribs right here. Is yummy. Amoy pa lang is ulam na. Sinigang sa sampalok. Is yummy and delicious. Thank you and God bless you all. So long, everyone, and God bless you all. Thank you for watching and God bless. So long and see you again soon. So long and thank you and God bless you all. See you for the next vlog. Love you guys. Stay safe as always. Love you. All my viewers, subscribers, wherever you are, stay safe. And please, I'm begging you to help me to support my YouTube channel for subscribing and like and share. Love you guys and God bless. So long. Thank you and see you for the next vlog. See you soon. Hope you enjoy watching my YouTube channel and short video of mine. Thank you and God bless you all. So long and God bless.